Okay, everybody, making his House of Mouse debut, it's infamous P.I.G.
Thank you, thank you. You know, the other day I saw a bug fishing. He said he hadn't had a bite, so I ate him. Thank you, thank you.
What?
Now that joke was in bad taste.
Sheesh, he's awful without me.
You really are the brains of the outfit. Dropping him was the best thing you ever did.
No, you don't. You're trying to reverse psychologize me, so I'll go out there and save him. Well, it won't work. I'm going out there.
You know what bugs me?
Well played, Mickey.
Did you hear the one about the priest, the rabbi, and the praying mantis?
Introducing Timon the Majestic. Now, for my first trick, I will need a volunteer.
I'm a sucker for a good magic trick.
Ah, delicious! I mean, perfect. I will now make this cricket disappear using only this simple knife and fork.
He's gonna use a dingle hopper.
Pumbaa!
Ew. What the? Simone!
What? If he was any kind of conscience, he would have stopped me.
Why don't you do a real magic trick? Disappear!
Just stand
Are
there,
you
tell a joke.
all right?
No, you keep doing magic. Maybe for an encore you could barbecue Dumbo.
Oh, like you never think with your stomach. Have another swarm of locusts, why don't you?
I might, because I'm trying to cut down on beloved children's characters.
I only came out here to save your keister.
My keister doesn't need saving.
You're right, it needs shrinking.
Oh, you stink.
You should know, gas bag.
Shrimp face,
Lunkhead,
rat
big nose,
lizard lung,
bongo butt.
Now that's classic TP. Simone, that's the strangest booing I ever heard.
Are you kidding? That's music.
Thank you, thank you.